Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the dashboard lights and answering the question, why won't my dash display dim at night? Let's get started. I am demonstrating on a 2022 Corolla Hybrid. However, this is applicable across almost all newer Toyota vehicles. We are going to go over here to the left of the steering wheel and look for this icon, which is often accompanied by a dial or arrows to operate. The purpose of this button is to dim and brighten the lights on the front dash display. Typically, drivers like it on the brightest setting as it is easier to see during the day and during night. What people may not know is that if you adjust this dial further than the brightest setting, it will click into place. This is shown here by the little dot on the dial letting you know it's clicked into the lock position. However, if your vehicle does not have these dots or lines on the dial and it's just plain black, it will still click into position. You just won't be able to tell as easily. This function locks the vehicle's dash lights into day mode, which is the brightest setting, and will prevent the lights from being automatically dimmed by sensors during nighttime or during instances where outdoor light is limited. While some drivers appreciate the additional brightness at night, the day mode brightness may be considered too bright for others. So if you're finding your dash lights are too bright or are not dimming at nighttime, ensure that your brightness dial, which is typically located to the left of the steering wheel, is not clicked into place. It should be able to move freely. This will give you lots of brightness, and it still will adjust at night for the best driver experience. Alternatively, if you are finding your main head unit screen is too bright or will not dim, you may have accidentally locked it into day mode. Click Menu, then Display, and you will see a day mode option appear here at nighttime. Click this option off so the display will dim at night automatically. And that is all for why your dash lights may not be dimming at night. Fortunately, it does tend to be a super easy fix. I hope this video helps you to solve the problem if you're having it. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.